Hello and welcome back to the channel. So Sunday is another review, and thanks to iScooter, they have delivered us their i10 Pro. So we're going to get inside the box. It seems well packaged, and check it out and see what it's like. Getting it outside the box, it looks pretty basic to put together. It is a case of fitting the handlebars on and lifting them up. Then that is pretty much it. But one surprise, they've got a bag here that's come with it. So I'm going to check out what's inside this bag. Well, there we go. So that's the battery charger. Yep, that's all in there. Some instructions, hopefully there's some tools, and there's the screws and there's the Allen keys, so you can fit that handle on while out and about. Another thing I've noticed, it comes with an inner tube because it has got 10-inch tyres on there. Now they are inflatable tyres, so if you get a puncture, it's something like that, you're going to need a spare. It's even got the attachment there. Let's get this built, get it together, and then I'll go through some specs with you. There she is, and I do like these sort of scooters. They're very, very easy to fold up, collapse and put away. So going through the specs then, it has got an 800 watt rear wheel motor, and the battery itself is a 36 volt, 12.5 amp hour, so that's 360 watt hours within the battery. And the claim range of that is 31 miles. Now obviously that will depend on your size and the terrain you're taking it over. Top speed of up to 25 miles an hour. The suspension, now it has got front suspension, and I believe it has got rear suspension as well. Yeah, just because it's separated there. So that is some rear suspension, and the front suspension forks on there. You've got the standard front LED display, as you can see. I'll take that off, you might be able to see it there. So it's in walk mode at the moment. That's one press for lights on, two presses in eco mode, two presses drive mode, two presses sport mode. And the good thing with this, it has got the trigger, the thumb throttle, shall we say. So you have actually got the lights. There's some lights at the front, which is ideal. And you have got lights at the rear. Along with that, you have got an indicator. So it is just a case of pushing that in, and you can see on that rear light a good indicator, and on the handlebars, indicator there. And that switch literally just goes back to the middle. So it does fold up, however it is 20 kilos. You just got to bear in mind the weight. It is again on the heavier side for e-scooters, but it is the bigger battery version. Now to fold it, there is literally just one clip here. It was very easy to build as well because there is only 4 screws, one there, oh sorry, 2 that side and 2 that side. And also it came with this lovely bag. I've just put it on the front here, so it can either go this way or the other way. Ideal for stashing certain things. But you undo this clip to fold it, and you literally just pull it down. And as you're pulling it down, you'll see you've got this clip here, and it just comes over to the side and clips in there. As you can see, it folds up relatively good size, actually ideal for travelling, sticking in the back of the motorhome, and for picking it up. Yeah, 20 kilos ain't too bad in weight at all. You can buy some accessory bags for these on Amazon as well if need be. What we all want to know is, how much is it? Now I believe online at the moment, let's check the online price. So £368.99 for this one from iScooter. There will be a discount code and everything in the description. As always, let's take it out for a bit of a spin and actually see what it can do over this terrain here. So it's not your standard normal road surfaces, private land, because we're in the UK, and obviously until the UK sort out their laws with e-scooters, then we can't go riding it around on the roads. But private land, we're okay to do so. So yeah, so I'm going to get out and give it a good test run. Right, as always, helmet on. I'm all geared up, I even got my day sack on. Let's go out there and see what it can do. Right, I'm going to attach you to my bag, so hopefully you get a better view than you're getting now. There we go, so we are in sport mode. I am going to lever that off. Car's locked. Right, it has got front and rear brakes, but they're all in a good position. Where your thumb goes, it's in a great position. Oh, it's lovely and soft on the suspension. Lovely and soft on the suspension. I think it's the tyres, they help as well. Oh, I'm on cruise control there, so you've got cruise control facility with this. And don't forget, you have got the actual app. Okay, so cruise control for this sort of terrain, lovely, because now I can just keep on going. Oh, that is perfect. It goes pretty fast, actually. Now, I don't know if it's set into miles an hour or kilometres an hour, but that was at 20. I'm going to take you down this hill and see if we can get back up again. But as you can see there, whoa, yeah, it's got, oh, this is a really smooth scooter. The performance of it is great. Right, let's go down this hill. The speed is unbelievable, really. Push up this hill. Oh, there's a dog over there. Don't want them chasing me. Right, so I'm going to turn around. Oh, the suspension on the front and rear, it just really makes for a perfect ride. And yes, we've got a nice bit of a hill here. And people often say they struggle on hills, but this, the power in it, wow. I mean, I'm still doing 20, and that is unbelievable. Hang on, I'm on cruise control. Oh, I'm going faster than that. Tap your brake, that comes out of cruise control. You can see a few people like to bring their vehicles off-road up here, but I think they like to walk their dogs. Is truth be told. So we are going to go down this way now. And no, I'm not going through the puddle. However, I'm not going through the puddle. I'll probably sink. But the power on this scooter is phenomenal. And it, wow. Oh, look at that, bit of a bump. Right. Whew. So I've been out on it for a good half hour and we've only gone down one notch on the battery. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 notches there. Only one notch. So let's even say 20% of the battery there from fully charged. But wow, what a scooter. I actually love this one. This, out of all the scooters we've had, is probably my preferred scooter, just because of the suspension. It's taken me up and down hills. It's good on rough terrain, and no doubt will be good on road. I like taking it on the rougher terrain and see what it's like. Again, it's just a shame we can't ride them because too many people, like anything in the world, spoil it. It's 20 kilos, yes, but it folds up nice and tight. It will easily fold into the motorhome, into your van, anything like that. So if I was going to Europe at the moment, and then that's definitely a scooter I would recommend taking. Again, if you are traveling to Spain, just look out. It doesn't matter where you're traveling, to be honest. Just look out for their laws. Laws do change. Things do get tightened up. You may have to register. But if you're unsure, just go on the government websites and find out about e-scooters, where you can and can't ride them. So my final verdict on this, for the price, what did I say, just over £350 with the discount codes, mind, again, which will be in the description. You'll be able to get it below £350. My verdict is I would have one of these, definitely, if I was having an e-scooter, and be quite happy to ride around. It's got a lot of distance. 31 miles is fair distance for an e-scooter, so that's perfect. So we're going to wrap this one up here. I'm going to go and play about a little bit more, and I might actually take you over there. See over there? Up there? I'm going to do that anyway, so I might take you with me. But thank you again, iScooter, for letting us test ride your i10 Plus. If you do fancy one of these, just go into the description. Either for this one we can get a discount And if you go into the website there, they do plenty of e-scooters, e-bikes with accessories for you to buy. Let's go! This is a rougher terrain now. Look at that. Yeah! Nice and bumpy. And this scooter, to be fair, it's taking it in its stride. Whoa, hang on, what are we going to do about this bit here? Let's go up and around on this bit. Whee! Perfect. Yeah. Wow, just so much to play around here. I love my playground. I don't know what I'm going to do about this bit. Let's keep it up high. You can't have a playground much better than this, can you, for testing the i-scooter? So thanks for coming along with me, and well, we'll catch you on our normal vlogs on Thursdays. Jodie will be back with me, where we'll be back in Spain, and yeah, enjoying our trip out there. So until then, bye.